Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ank Eru from the Vegan Jamaican restaurant in Nairobi, family. Lavington, Nairobi, Kingara Road, right beside 24 Hours Naivas, like 1 minute away from Giko family. Adessa with their family. Adessa with the Jamaican food. You can't miss it, you know what I mean? Just put Levels Hotel in your map and you will find, you know what I mean, the Vegan Jamaican, you know what I mean? Yeah, family. So me there, guys, and actually, you know what I mean, pull up to get some hibiscus. And pull up to get some hibiscus, family. And I'm gonna go so boom. Ja. I'm gonna go so boom, family. Pull up to get some hibiscus. I'm gonna go so boom, family, in a Naivas. You know what I mean? In a Naivas, me go and me and say, yo, Jano. Because now, guys, I'm gonna start like a smoothie juice bars type of situation. You know, at the restaurant, family. So now I'll be making my secret sauce, all of my alkaline, you know what I mean, smoothies, them and thing, mixed up with the sea moss and all of these, you know what I mean, powerful, you know what I mean, fruits. So baobab is the most powerful fruit and actually in land, and sea moss is the most powerful fruit, vegetable or whatever under the sea. You know what I mean? So we are picked from the earth and we are picked from the sea. You know what I mean? And then when jaggery, what fall from the tree, that's what we use to actually, you know what I mean, create natural stuff, family, real thing. You know what I mean? So we walk that diverse and I say, yo, John, I actually, you know, cause you know jam tours all have been inspired, family. So, you know what I mean, my thing always unique and different, you know. You have different type of seed, family. You have chia seed, you have pumpkin seed, you have sesame seed, you have actually, you know what I mean, amaranth seed, you know what I mean? What else we have? You know what I mean? Let me show you guys. We have flax seed, family. So we jam through. So when we go into the shop, I start see a thing called poppy seed. I say, yo, this poppy seed thing, I never hear of this seed before. So something coming on my head now, and if there's so much seed, then make a seed smoothie, family. So I'm gonna go and research up this. I'm gonna add it sea moss and all of these nuts, all these seeds, and make a seed smoothie, family. A seed smoothie. We're gonna have pumpkin seed, olive. You know what I mean? The seeds them we know actually grow upon leaves and upon flowers and all of these things. You know what I mean? These are real grains, family. In Africa we there. You know what I mean? When I was in Jamaica, family, for me to get some amaranth, I mean normally use the amaranth seed to make porridge, family. That was my favorite thing when I was transitioning over to alkaline foods. You know what I mean? The amaranth, because I was so fascinated, you know, in Jamaica we have a lot of callaloo, and we always just see the buds and things. Yes, the callaloo just grow all over the place. So actually this is the bud inside the callaloo. This is the callaloo bud. You know what I mean? The seed from the callaloo bud, I eat this. You know what I mean? In Africa, family. So tell me now, family, me used to have to buy these things in a Jamaica if I want to live healthy. I want to live an alkaline, you know, vegan diet. You know what I mean? So see me come in a Kenya, family, and get walking on the street, go pick up these things like normal, get them as cheap, $2. They said this is for $1 for this for me, a big jug of this for, you know what I mean, amaranth seed. Them things are rare, you know what I mean? Where do you get that? Like, you know, in modern world where you guys live, where do you even find that? And if you find it, it costs like $50. You know what I mean, for a kg. So, in a Kenya family, trust me, you know, I'm so blown away, family, and so amazed by this till I have to actually make a video, family, because I never know that I could get so much of alkaline foods in a Kenya family. This is actually wild African honey, family. If you want to get this, you can pull up wild African honey. You know what I mean? All of these things we're actually using in our ingredients. This is for the dawa, you know what I mean? And it's for other sweetener, natural sweetener, family, that we're actually using to actually, you know, get everything natural and pure and real from God, from nature. That's why we want to bring it back, family. You know what I mean? That's why we are preaching and teach. Bring back everything back to mama, you know what I mean? Mama nature. You know? Everything we should be using should be processed by a man. Should become live from off of the tree, just like how we used to eat in the Garden of Eden. We used to pick the fruit from the tree and eat it. You know what I mean? Because of man who want like them want know more knowledge than God, he might say, all right, you don't want no knowledge, go and go know knowledge. You know what I mean? Because you have good and bad. You know what I mean? Before all of these things come in, you know, it used to just be actually, you know what I mean, life on earth just normally be just normal. And you know, and there's no bad. Like, you know, Adam and Eve never know about no badness and no bad thing. You know what I mean? It's when the serpent come and say, well, I want to give you guys some knowledge so you can know other things, you can know good and bad. And that's the reason why you have good and bad in a herd family. You have good and bad in a earth because Adam and Eve said, I want to know the bad things. And Cain kill Herbal. And from that, everything started happening family. You know what I mean? Everything started happening from Cain kill Herbal and then take the bad action. And that's what you're killing. Imagine, and that's the thing when I think about the Bible family, the 10 commandments, the Bible said, thou shalt not kill. And after Adam and Eve were the first thing actually, you know what I mean, if there was the only person on earth, you know what I mean, where God created and Adam and Cain kill Herbal. That's how we killing start from family. You know what I mean? Killing start from, it all start from that family. From Cain kill Herbal. And that's the way I think everybody are kill each other. The world are fight against other world, are drop bombs that steal people, area, displace people, all kind of these things family. You know what I mean? So when you think about it, you know, are the bad things that we learn in life harm us. You know what I mean? When you come now and a man start with him technology start make food in a lab and start make this, you know, try to twist up this kind of chemical and mix up and make something and all kind of thing. You know, nobody now really look to the natural way of things. Like things just grow up on the tree, you pick it and eat it. You know what I mean? That's the way it should go. You know, things grow from under the earth, to dig it up and eat it. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's how it's supposed to work, family. Yeah. And back in the time, them never had a kill. But thou shall not kill. That thou shall not mean that kill not means say, you know, if you kill animal, you know, if you kill nothing. Thou shall not kill, you shouldn't kill a hands. You know what I mean? When the Bible says thou shall not kill the 10 commandments. So before that, Adam and Eve have practiced the 10 commandments. You know, them not kill, them not steal, them not do nothing. You know what I mean? And now after them say they want to know the bad information, this is what the bad information give us. You know what I mean? Technology, and we know a whole lot of stuff which is not actually essential to life. Most of these things are essential to life. Is we create them with the bad knowledge that we learn from, you know what I mean, those other people. So as I said, guys, you know what I mean, living in Kenya is so exciting, and if you guys think about coming to Kenya, link up with Jam Tours, you know what I mean, the number is there. Actually, you know, all of these things is here for somebody to come and create products out of it for to help. You know what I mean? All of these raw material that we have here, you get to come and create something out of it. There's so much things to do, family. You know what I mean? So as I said, guys, if you're serious about coming into Kenya, link up with Jam Tours. I can get you settled, I can get you organized, I can get you, you know what I mean? You don't feel like you're a tourist no more. You feel like you're working, like you're doing something, because I am always doing something. And if you want to actually tag along with me for a week, you know what I mean? Just to see what me I do and what me I move and people who I meet, and you know what I mean? Just to see that alone show you, hey, it's a serious thing. You can't come here and sit down, family. So if you want to go fast and win faster, and you want to go slow, you know what I mean? And you want to go by yourself and then fail 5 times before you get it, because it's just normal success. Success is like a fail in a family. But I feel like you can come out here and, you know what I mean? So if I was the wise person, I would actually link up with somebody who walk the road and I talk the talk and I do the thing. Because that's something I actually, me not fear waste my time and I come and I search for this place. When I find that, when I put that, I drive around in a Uber all over the place and waste your money. When I can link up with Jam Tours and say, hey, Jam Tours, me coming in Africa, and you know, I was taken away, my 4 parents was taken away and build up this country, and now I come back to build up back my country. You know what I mean? I'm not here to actually always waste my time there enslaving in Babylon system. So let me come back and do something now. Now you know, no time for waste, because most of the time when I come back and mature people, we in them 40s, 50s, we don't have time for waste. The time is against you. Your last chance is to rebuild. So you know what, come and waste the time, you know what I mean? You come to boom and give Jam Tourism consultation fee or whatever fee you want, and you just roll. Because, you know what I mean? You get everything one time, everything set up, tax number, everything set up. You're in the system, in the Kenyan system legitly. You know what I mean? Attorney do everything and mass up everything and make sure everything is in order. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys, You know what I mean, one love, Ja bless, Jamaica. Let me just start my day because, you know what I mean, in Nairobi, as you wake at night, you know what I mean, you have to do the things we are supposed to do. So, let's go.